This conference, this is the first time here. I'm new to here. It's great to see so many people interested in technology. And I do think the world needs such a technology. And my company and my industry is looking for a highly efficient motor to conserve the technology, to conserve the energy that have been produced by the sun, solar and sunshine. So definitely the world will need the motor. I'm looking forward to using this motor very soon. We produce solar, and solar works best with a highly efficient motor. So it's natural for us to go together, for solar and a highly efficient motor to go together to change the vehicle's power and to change the way that electric vehicle is being charged. So I think it is a natural way for these two companies to get together. This is my second time in Vietnam, so I love it so far. And then I think it's a huge market for great industry to grow. And then there's a lot of sunshine here. Love it. I wish you can produce as soon as possible, and then as cheap as possible, the low price, and then so with solar and the motor and the battery, the price will remain the same. So we can basically change all kinds of vehicles with the solar powertrain and keep the price the same. And basically the customers will pay the same price but get something much more better, extraordinary in their plug-in. So this is my wish. I hope to accomplish that within 1 month with you. Is that possible?
То, что мы работаем с Henergy Glory, показывает то, что эта технология признана. И, в принципе, для меня это тоже большой прогресс, что такая компания, как Henergy Glory и Henergy признала наши технологии и хочет использовать эти технологии. Сейчас наши проекты на уровне правительства в странах, как в Таиланде, сейчас в Индии поднимается проект. То же самое сейчас Henergy Glory начинает поднимать этот проект на уровне правительства в Китае. То есть только можно пожелать, чтобы это все успешнее и успешнее двигалось вперед. То есть это признание, это мировое признание, это не просто проект, который только зарождается, это не стартап.